So if you have a 75 mark paper, 25 marks would go for reasoning abilities. Because a lot of times in government service, you have to take decisions. You have to know how to take a decision. Is your reasoning correct? Is your logical ability correct? Then the subject matter is got 30 marks out of 75. You have to know your subject. There is often a question made to us, see, we have already passed our graduation in this subject. Why do we have to be tested again? Yes, we have to verify whether you really know all those things or not. English language, because most of the government drafts or correspondence in Goa is done in English language. So one has to know. It's not that we test English in depth. It is just basically beyond comprehension actually. And 10 marks is allotted for general knowledge and current affairs. So this 75 mark paper has, in a nutshell, in 75 minutes, more or less you can conclude the intellectual capability of a person who has applied. And if they do reasonably well in all these facets, then they are shortlisted for the interview.